been a minute since I've been at Alfred's house, but today I'm going to be helping adjusting his control arm for his Mustang, and then after we're done with that, I'm going to be bolting on my side skirts and my front bumper so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to be taking it to a shop to get the exhaust done. But damn, this car is sitting so good. Super happy with how it's coming out. I can't wait. I have the coils. The wheel should come in next week, and then damn, I'm going to be throwing everything on, and it's just going to be ready for paint. That looks so damn good. Okay, so I tightened up the sides and got one bolt in on the front bumper. Well, two actually on each side. But as you can see, I basically spaced them out about 15 inches apart. I still need to put a screw there, but I can't because the previous owner kind of ran over a curb or something. So there's a metal piece there that should be straight as like bent it in, and none of the screws reach it, so I have to think of something else. Probably a really long screw, or put some kind of piece of metal or block of wood there. But it's on tight, as you can see. It's not moving anywhere. Things like solid. There is a gap. I'm gonna probably have to either use some silicone or bond the side skirts on permanently. I think I might have to do that, just bond them permanently, and that's it. Because here it's like nice and flush, but then it kind of goes like down and up again, which is weird. I try to put them up and tighten them as hard as I can so it's flush here, which it is, but it's just a gap. So either silicone it or just bond it with so it's freaking like one piece to the car. This thing, don't mind this gap. This is going to be bonded and molded as one piece for sure. So as you can see, that fitment is freaking awesome. I already have a screw here, and you can kind of see a hole there. Doesn't matter, I'm going to patch that one up. There's another screw underneath the headlight that's right there. You can kind of see, it's really hard to see because I actually pushed it in, so it's nice and flush. Back at low cost, about to get my exhaust done. Can't wait. This thing's gonna sound so good, and I can finally actually step on it and shoot some massive flames. It's coming out really good. Can't wait to have this thing lowered and looking at it. It does look kind of crooked because the cutout of the bumper goes up higher there, but the tips are actually really straight. They're straight with the bottom of the thing. Super psyched for this. I can't wait for these to be on. They look so good. Don't really care about this pipe because this is a drift car, but I think I'm gonna have them raise it up just a tad bit more. We'll see, but I like it a lot so far. This thing's coming out so good. So everything's pretty much mocked up. Now they just have to weld it and she's good to go. Damn, I'm super happy with how this looks. Even though this kind of goes down a little bit, I'm hoping I can still clear it when I go a little bit lower. I'm not going that low, like I'm not being stance boy, so it doesn't really bother me. I just hope I can clear some bumps, but we'll see. So this thing's coming out so good. Damn. We basically made it poke out this much. That's so sick. I can't wait to polish these, then go for a quick spin and do some exhaust flames for you guys. I can't wait to see the flames that Revmatch.Motorsports did for me. I'm super hyped. Okay, it's all done. Just cut these and they're done. Awesome.
It's about where they're going to sit. If you're happy with it, you put them where you need them.
Yeah, they're awesome. There's this pretty red R32 here, owned by one of the guys here. So clean. Damn. I've been looking at these things to probably purchase for myself, but haven't really pulled the trigger yet, but I think I might. These things look so good. I like the R33 and 34 more, but If I can find the 33, I'll get this.